See, our next topic is lichens. Lichens is the composition of photobiont and mycobiont. Photobiont means algae. Mycobiont means fungi. Combination of photobiont and mycobiont is called lichens. Are one algae and one fungi. They are in the symbiotic position is called lichens. The study of lichens is called lichenology. The lichenology explain about the different types of lichens. See here it is mainly three types of lichens are here. One is crustose lichens. Second one is foliase lichens. Third one is fruticose lichens. These are the three types of lichens present in the lichenology. See through diagrams, see it is crustose lichens, foliase lichens, fruticose lichens. So first we discuss here it is crustose. Crust means compactly arranged. Compactly arranged structure is called crustose lichens. In this crustose structure, algae and fungi, these two components are in crust-like structure, means compactly arranged. Algae and fungi are compactly arranged in the formation of lichen is called crustose lichens. Crustose lichens having compact arrangement, crustose like structure. And the next one is foliase lichen. Foliase means leaf like structure. They shows dorsiventral structure, dorsal side completely green in color. It participated in the photosynthesis. The dorsal side completely look like a leaf like structure. Leaf structure is called foliase. And foliase lichens are contain photobiont at the dorsal side, mycobiont at the ventral side. So these are look like a leaf like structure. So we called foliase lichens. And third one is fruticose lichens. Fruticose lichens means branches, aerial branches are present in the formation of lichens. See, in crustose lichens, crust-like structure is present in the formation of lichens. Foliase lichen, leaf-like structure arrangement. But in fruticose lichens, aerial stalk-like, branch-like structures are present. That aerial stalk-like branches lichens are called fruticose lichens. That aerial stalk-like structures are called fruit-like structures. Fruit-like structures of algae and fungi. So these are called fruticose lichens. How many lichens? Crustose lichens, foliase lichens, fruticose lichens. See, we observed these three types of lichen: crustose lichens, foliase lichens, fruticose lichens. Crustose lichens, some examples here it is Graphis, Hematoma, Graphis, Hematoma. These are belongs to crustose lichens. Foliase lichens examples are Paramelia, Pisica, and fruticose lichens Candiania, Ramelina. These are the examples for the crustose, foliase, and fruticose lichens. See here it is in this box. In algae, not all algae are helps in the formation of lichens. Only few algae. The few algae belongs to Cyanophyceae. These algae are Cyanophyceae. Cyanophyceae algae and Ascomycotina fungi. Ascomycotina fungi, Cyanophyceae algae are mainly helps in the formation of crustose lichens, foliase lichens, and fruticose lichens. See, we observed the lichen thallus internal structure. transfer section of lichen thallus. Every lichen like crustose, foliage, fruticose lichen, thallus internal structure shows mainly 5 regions. One is upper cortex, second one is algal zone, third one is medulla, and lower cortex, it is the fourth one, and last one is rhizinae or rhizoids. See, upper cortex is also called upper epidermis of lichens. In these lichens, in this upper cortex, algae and fungi are compactly arranged. They maintain a cover-like structure on the surface of the algae, surface of the lichens. This structure or this portion is called upper cortex. In this portion, algae and fungi. Which algae here it is? Cyanobacteria or cyanophyceae and ascomycotina. Algae are compactly arranged to form a epidermis-like structure is called upper cortex. Below the upper cortex, algal zone is present. See, it is specific for only algal zone. Cyanophyceae algae like nostoc, anabina, like blue-green algae are present in this zone. They are mainly exposed to sunlight. They are prepared food material by the photosynthesis. And below these algal layer, medulla is present. In this medulla, fungi, ascomycotina fungi are loosely arranged. They maintain a large number of or more number of cellular spaces. Below these medulla, lower cortex is present. The lower cortex is also called lower epidermis of lichens. In this lower epidermis or lower cortex, only fungi are present. They are compactly arranged. They are formed as a lower epidermal region. The lower epidermal region, lower part, some air-like structures are formed. The air-like structures are called rhizinae or rhizoids. It is the complete structure of thallus, lichen thallus. See, mainly in these lichens, fungi are mainly helps in fixing of the thallus on the surface, and they are also helps in the absorption of minerals, water from the soil. But these fungi are cannot prepare food material. The needed food material collected from the algal zone like cyanobacteria, cyanophyceae or blue-green algae. At the same time, blue-green algae cannot absorb the mineral water from the soil. That the minerals waters are supplied by the fungi, and it is some same time fungi are need food material, the food material collected from the algae. It is a mutual understand. It is a mutual understand between the cyanobacteria and fungi. So this position is called symbiotic position. In lichen means one photobiont and one mycobiont. Compactly arranged, they are present in a lichen formation, and they are also in the symbiotic position. What is mean of symbiotic position? Here it is, they are in mutual understanding. Algae are prepared food material by the photosynthesis, but the algae cannot absorb the mineral water from the soil. So algae are need mineral nutrients from the soil, and fungi are absorbed water mineral from the soil, and they cannot prepare food material. At the same time, they are cooperate with each other. They are supplies to each other. Food material supplies to fungi, mineral nutrients supplies to the algae. By this position, this structure is called lichens, lichenology. It is the internal structure of lichens. Now, lichens reproduction. Lichens reproduction mainly done by the 3 ways. One is vegetative reproduction, second one is asexual reproduction, third one is sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction done by the fragmentation. See, already we seen thallus. Thallus cut into number of fragments. Each fragment develop into new lichens. This process of reproduction is called vegetative reproduction done by the fragmentation. And the next one is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction done by the different types of algae and fungi in the formation of lichens. See, here it is lichens asexual reproduction done by the Isidia, Soridium, Cephalodium, and pycnospores. These are the asexual organs or asexual spores in the lichens. See, it is the lichen thallus internal structure. It is the upper cortex. Below the upper cortex, algal zone is present. Already we seen. See, during the reproduction time, some club-shaped structures are developed on the dorsal region. The club-shaped structures are developed on the dorsal region. In this club-shaped structure, spores are developed. The spores are called isidium or isidia. Isidia is a plural. Isidia formed by one blue-green algae and phycobiont. The combination of photobiont and phycobiont to form a spore-like structure. The spore-like structures are called isidia. Isidias are developed in the club-shaped structure. On the same thallus of lichens, at the dorsal region, cavity-like structures are developed. The cavity-like structures produced similar spores of isidia. The isidia spores are developed in the cavity-like structure. That cavity-like structure produced spores are called soridium. See, what are the major difference between the isidium and soridium? Soridiums are the spores. Isidiums are also spores. Soridiums are developed in a cavity-like structure from the lichens, but isidias are developed in a club-shaped structure. It is the major differences between the isidium and soridium. If they are released from the isidium and soridium, they are easily moved by wind and landing on the moisture surface. They are developed into new lichens. See, soridium and isidium are also containing photobiont and mycobiont. When the matured stage, they are released from these lichen thallus and they are developed into new lichenology, new lichens. And cephalodiums, these are also soridiums. See, it is the algae and it is fungi. It is the clear structure. Algae and fungi. Which algae here it is? Blue-green algae and actinomycetes algae. See, these are formed as a spore-like structure. The spores are called soridiums. The soridiums are developed in which year it is? In a cavity-like structure. The cavity-like structure is broken at the mature stage. They are released from the cavity-like structure. They are developed into new independent lichens. And the next one is cephalodia. Cephalodias are developed at the lower part of the lichens. So before here it is isidium and soridiums are developed on the dorsal side of the lichens, but cephalodiums are developed internal structure of the thallus of lichen. They are developed at the lower part of the thallus. The cephalodiums also made with the photobiont and mycobiont. When the mature stage, they are released from the lichens. They are also developed into new lichens. These are the developed at which region it is? Lower thallus, lower surface of the lichen thallus. And pycnospores. The pycnospores are also developed on the dorsal region. Dorsal region of the lichens, cavity or cup-like structures are developed. They are called pycnospores. See, pycnospores are having only ascomycotina fungal spores, not photobiont. They are having only mycobiont. See, major difference between the soridium and pycnium. In soridium, they containing algal and fungal composition called soridia. They are developed which region it is? On the dorsal region. On the same dorsal region, again cup-like structures are developed. The cup-like structures are produced only fungal spores. The fungal spores are called spermatogonia or spermicium, are also called pycnium, pycnospores. When the matured stage, the pycnospores are released from the fungal thallus. They are combined with any blue-green algae. They are developed into lichens. If blue-green algae are not available by the surrounding of these spores, they are developed as a fungi only. These are the asexual reproductions of the lichens. What are the asexual reproduction here? It is one is isidium, soridium, cephalodium, and pycnium. And next one is sexual reproduction. Generally, sexual reproduction done by the fungal hyphae, not algal spores. Algae cannot participate in the sexual reproduction in the lichens. Only fungi are participated in the sexual reproduction. The fungi are participated in the sexual reproduction to produce a cup-like structure. See, here it is the Ascomycotina fungi. In the favorable conditions or not favorable condition from the Ascomycotina penicillium, like Ascogonium is developed. It is the female reproductive organ. Ascogonium filled with more number of nuclei. At the same time, lateral another fungi produced a ribbon-like structure is called male reproductive organ called antheridial branch. When the matured stage, Ascogonium and antheridium touch to the terminal part of the Ascogonium. Between these method, the cytoplasm or cell wall is ruptured and only antheridial cytoplasm enter into the Ascogonium. Before the entry of antheridium cytoplasm, Ascogonium is in cenocytic position. Cenocytic position means they containing more number of nuclei. When it received, Ascogonium received antheridium cytoplasm, that Ascogonium convert into cellular portions. In each cell, 2 nuclei are present. See, 2 nuclei are present. Each cell produces lateral filament. The lateral filaments are called ascogenous filaments. Ascogenous filaments also containing 2 nuclei in each cell. From this ascogenous filament, terminal cell act as a ascus mother cell. The ascus mother cell containing 2 nuclei. The 2 nuclei are fused to form diploid zygote. The diploid zygote participated in the reduction division to form 8 ascospores. The ascospores are in pulley wheel-like structure. When this stage, remaining fungal hyphae, all fungal hyphae are developed, rapidly participated in the division, they develop into a cup-like structure. The cup-like structure is called apothecium. In penicillium reproduction, here it is the spheroidal fruit-like structure is formed. The spheroidal fruit-like structure is called clistothecium. But here in cup-like structure is developed. The cup-like structure is called apothecium. Apothecium released ascospores. The ascospores are in pulley wheel-like structure. They are released from the apothecium and they are germinated into new mycelium. If these spores are received or containing any blue-green algae surrounding of these ascospores, they are developed into new lichens. If blue-green algae are not possible or not present at the surrounding of these ascospores are directly developed into new mycelium, Ascomycotina mycelium. It is a sexual reproduction of lichens. See, here it is the cup-like structure. During the matured stage, cup-like structure is formed is called apothecium. Apothecium containing ascospores. Ascospores are released from the apothecium. They are developed into new lichens when they are received blue-green algae. If they cannot receive blue-green algae, the ascospore directly develop into penicillium or Ascomycotina fungi. See, what are the major difference here? It is soridium. They are also cup-like structure. They are developed at the dorsal region. The spores are combined with the algae and fungi. During the matured condition, apotheciums also developed. Apothecium is a cup-like structure, but in this cup-like structure only ascospores are present, not photobiont. Only mycobiont participated in the sexual reproduction to form a cup-like structure. The cup-like structure is called apothecium. See, in the favorable condition, the same thallus also produced spores on the dorsal region. The dorsal region spores are called soridia. The soridias are the combination of algae and fungi, but the ascospores containing only mycobiont. It is in asexual reproduction. It is in the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction done by the only mycobiont of the lichens. Asexual reproduction done by the photobiont as well as mycobiont. And economic importance of lichens. See, the lichens mainly helps in the soil formation. Soil formation done by the lichens. So these are also called pioneer plants of the earth surface. The lichens like crustose, foliage, fruticose lichens are developed on the rock surface. They release carbonic acids. The carbonic acids are mainly helps in the formation of soil by the fragmentation of rocks. So initially soil formed by the lichens only. And next important point is used as a food material. Some lichens are containing polysaccharides. The polysaccharides are mainly used as a food material, like these used in the food material in the different countries, like in Africa, India, and Japan. And next, used as a fodder. Fodder means it is one type of wood. The wood is used for the economic importance, mainly Iceland mosses, Iceland lichens. Iceland lichens are used as a fodder and medicines. Some lichens are having antibiotic. That antibiotics are having in the lichens, they are used as a medicines to control the different types of diseases. Antibiotic control the diseases. Next, cosmetics and perfumes. Avernia and Loberia. These are the lichens. They are having fragrant smells. The fragrant oils are produced by these all lichens. These are also used in the making of different types of cosmetics and perfumes. And the next one, dyes. Dyes is pasmella. It is one type of lichens. It is mainly used in making of dyes. Dyes means color making. Different types of color making systems are done by the using of lichens, and alcohols also making by the lichens. Example, Criteria and Icelandica. These are the uses in the making of alcohol, and harmful aspects also present in the lichens. Asenia, like it is one lichen, highly inflammabilities. They are well developed in the forest regions. During the forest regions, they are burned like inflammable, highly inflammable by these all lichens of the Asenia, like forest also burnt in the summer region, summer seasons. So these are the economic importance of lichens. Lichens internal structures, types of lichens, and lichens reproduction, lichens economic importance. It is the total class about only based on the lichenology.